number 5, what can you say to your supporters here?
Maayong gabi, Barangay Abong!
Wow, good evening. Ayun. You know, do you have, I saw earlier in the backstage, you have your parents there. Not just your mother, but also your father, which is very, very much rare. No, knowing that men maybe do not like this type of activity, but you have your father there. What can you say to him?
Well, first of all, I would like to say to everyone that being in this part of the pageant as a first-timer and as someone that people seems to have shown capabilities with, there are some times I have doubted myself if I will be able to confidently join and emphasize the lady that I am today. And of course, I would like to say my father because he is one of the part of who I am today. Tay, Ma, thank you. Pagpalangga ko dito mo.
That's not our question yet. Okay, I think you are very much confident to answer your question. You may now pick from the board. Alright, once again, you can read it once to our audience, and I will read it again twice, and then you can answer your question.
Social media influences many young people to leave rural living behind. As a candidate, how will you prove that farming and fishing are still honorable and important professions?
Now, once again, for our audience, candidate number 5 question goes: social media influences many young people to leave rural living behind. As a candidate, how will you prove that farming and fishing are still honorable and important professions? Again, social media influences many young people to leave rural living behind. As a candidate, how will you prove that farming and fishing are still honorable and important professions?
Thank you, Sir Carl, for that question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have observed that in today's generation, being a farmer or a fisherfolk is labeled as someone who doesn't even deserve such respect and recognition for all the hard works they have sacrificed for our society. Rather than people treating them with utmost respect, people tend to discriminate that being a farmer or a fisherfolk is something to be ashamed of. But why? Why do we tend to be like that? Nga kung sa realidad, kung wala ang aton mangunguma kagmanog pangisda, wala kita na ginakabuhi nga kwalidad nga produkto sa bugas kag isda. I also do believe that farming and fishing are the roots of everything. The beginning of our livelihood which led our very own ancestors to survive and have brought us to where we are today, the modern nation. And because of that, I wish to say that whether I will be crowned or I will not be crowned as Yearning Ay Sabong 2026, it will not hinder my love and commitment to serve for my fellow fishermen, my fellow farmers rather, because I do believe that when you, a woman, possess having the heart who's willing to serve others, one will naturally grow as a queen who is committed, responsible, and will do everything for the goodness and betterness of her barangay, of her municipality, and of course, her nation. And that is why I am here standing and proving to everyone that being a farmer or a fisherfolk are still honorably relevant, not just to our society, but to the very essence of our culture as a Filipino. Thus, I am proud to say that I am a daughter and a granddaughter of both a farmer and a fisherman. Here in our very own Barangay Abong, palakpakan ta ang atong mga mangungumang ng manugbang isda. Once again, thank you and good evening.
What a powerful singing candidate number 5.